afternoon, students. Today we are having a great interactive session with Bala, Prasad, Peddigari sir from TCS. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Sir, thank you for having us today and having to speak with us. So, as an industry expert, sir, what do you expect from the freshly graduated students who are willing to have an industry experience?
I think that's an excellent question. Today's students, when they are trying to embark on the journey of industry and take up their career, they should not only look at the core skills, but they should also look at the soft skill areas. The most important soft skill areas is to focus on their communication and ability to tell stories. Storytelling is one of the important culture they need to bring it up. The second important area where I truly emphasize industry is looking at is their ability to carry out the adaptability skills. Means today technology changes so fast. Every 3 months you might be seeing new technologies coming in. How quickly they can adapt to the new technology makes a big difference. That adaptability is a key for their success in the industry. Third and foremost important skill is their ability to put the knowledge into practice. Being hands-on is very, very important. Today technology is so vast that AI driven tools are providing you a greater launch pad to develop the code. So it's not about knowing programming, it's about knowing how to use the tools in that particular context to program is important. These three importance are very important skills which people develop. I think they can make a big things on the way. Communication, adaptability, putting things into practice.
Yes, sir. So now, as you speak of communication skills, but as a technical skills, what industry expects from the students?
Wonderful. Basically, if you are looking at the technical skills, every engineering discipline has a different skills which are expected to have. You take computer science with data science, people expect you to be having a full understanding of the data fabric or data estate under which you try to operate. Understanding data lake, understanding data warehouse, those skills plays a very important role. If you are looking from the pure programming knowledge, people expect you to be a good developing knowledge on the C++, Python, constructs, which plays very important. And scripting languages like HTML, JavaScript, Node.js, they all play a very important role in improving their understanding. And if you take cybersecurity space, again, there is a lot of tooling which is there in the cybersecurity for workload protection, endpoint protection, container protection. Understanding those tools plays a very important role. Fourth dimension which you need to look at the opportunities is the DevOps area. Understanding the entire CI/CD pipeline and the different tooling frameworks which are available. It could be the Red Hat pipeline, Microsoft pipeline, Atlassian pipeline. Likewise, there could be 5 to 6 different pipelines which exist in the marketplace which are very, very popular. Understanding those constructs plays a very important role. And from the test dimension also, I would like you to understand development and testing go hand in hand. So from the test development engineers also, I want to call them test engineers because they also need to build the skills of automation. The automation which encompasses test automation at a unit level, functional level, performance level, stress level, likewise load testing. So understanding those tool constructs to automate the things and programming things will play a role. So students have different paths under which they can build their expertise. If you have a greater web programming skills, develop your skills in the scripting languages and Python. If you have a greater data skills, focus on your SQL Server or any of the non-structured databases, which will NoSQL databases that will really help you, like MongoDB or likewise. If you are focusing more on the threat handling, security and privacy, then focus on the cybersecurity credentials. But if you are more on the administration side, if you are more on the tooling side, then focus on the DevOps skills, which is horizontal in nature. Beyond that, I was also advocating the fact people can also focus on business skills, means understanding about supply chain, understanding about marketing. Different domains of the business also plays an important role. That's where you need to develop the skills like SAP, Oracle or PeopleSoft. These are the different streams under which people can build their expertise and take up their career path.
as we are of a non-IT branch, so we can learn the technical skills and we can get the placement job opportunities. But as you see, the outside industry is like having layoffs as a industry expect. So which category, like IT or non-IT, will get layoff first? Like they have the same technical skills, but which prefers more of like laying off?
Okay. Layoffs are not primarily because of the background from where you are coming, whether it is an IT or non-IT, it really does not make difference. What makes difference is people's productivity and efficiency to do the things. If you are a IT or non-IT person, it really doesn't matter. What matters is, do you know how to use the tools to do the same thing in less time? Do more with less. Apply the tooling in your day-to-day function. Apply AI related tools to accelerate your efficiency or productivity. Whoever does that efficiently, they will stay back intact. Whoever not able to upgrade their skills, adapt to that particular new tools, they are bound to lose their jobs. So remember one thing, AI is not replacing jobs, AI is complementing jobs. AI is not pushing the people to get laid off. It is only pushing the people to use the right tools to stay relevant in this particular technology world, so that you are able to cater to the needs of the enterprise and make yourself successful, make enterprise successful.
Yes, sir. Lastly, so as an industry expert, what significant message you give to our students so that they have their young minds placed very motivationally, so that they can be doing well in the industry?
I only want to suggest few things here. As a student, when you are trying to embark on the journey of a career, do not apply memorization techniques. Apply the 3E model. Ability to explore new technologies, new tools. Ability to experiment, where you are able to develop new projects using the current and emerging technologies. Don't fear about the failure, but you will succeed. Treat always failure as part of the success, not as a stepping stone of success. Third E is all about entrepreneurship skills. Whether you set up a company or not, carry that entrepreneurship mindset, which will really help you to think broad, have a big picture, which will eventually help when you try to deal with customers when you join an organization or deal with them. You understand their big picture to execute and realize their vision. So always remember the 3E model: explore, experiment, entrepreneurship.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.